This video explains a cheap way to repair a wooden window that has wood rot. As you can see, the frame is totally decomposed. Okay, but to replace that window, it'll cost you more than $1,000 if you're going to get it at that cheap price. Just mix up some Durham's wood putty and just apply it liberally. It's a water putty. It's very easy to mix. And here you can see you start adding layers. Okay, looks sloppy in the beginning, but the more effort you apply, the better it looks. And after half an hour of applying, letting it dry, then you can sand it, and each time you put another layer on, you can make it better and better. And once it's all done, just prime it with your final sanding, and your primer and sealer that you apply will determine how good it looks.